Hello children. So today EVS we are going to learn lesson number 5. Which is our lesson 5? Let's celebrate. So what all we will celebrate in our daily routine, daily system, that one we can discuss here. What all celebration you are doing in your daily, means in your days. Let we see this lesson, children. I hope this lesson will be enjoying to you because celebration means only enjoyness, right? So you will be enjoy this lesson. We celebrate birthdays, weddings, and festivals. Um, we have lots of fun on this days. Means every day we will be not having so many members in our family, right? Only the mother, father, children will be there. And what you'll do in your daily routine days? Only you'll be writing, reading, watching TV, that's all. But if you celebrate something else, and so many members will be attend that function, so enjoyment will be there, playing will be there. No, you'll be eating different kinds of foods, tasty foods, so you'll be enjoying. So what all the things we will enjoy, what will be do celebrating, let me see. First one, they give birthday, right? You'll be very happy to celebrate your birthday. How you'll celebrate? You'll bring sweets, you'll give to your friends, relatives, everyone, and some of you will be celebrating at home. You'll call all your friends, relatives, you'll cut the cake, and you'll get the gifts, and you'll be giving them return gift right now. So let me see what they given in this lesson. A birthday is a very special day. We celebrate it with our family and friends. We eat many tasty things on this day. We play games, sing, dance. Right, children? What you'll do on your birthday, it will be very special day to you. Early ones will get that day. That is your birthday. So that one we call as a birthday. So what you'll do? You'll call everyone to your family and you'll celebrate that one. So it is very important day for you. What you'll do that day? You'll call everyone to your house and you'll cut the cake. You'll give them. You'll take the gifts. You'll give return gifts to them, and tasty food will be prepared in the house. You'll eat that. You'll play with the all the children games and sing and dance. So party mood will be there in a family that day. So and lots of enjoyment will be there in the birthday. First one, what they given? Your birthday. Next one is the given wedding. What is wedding? Next is wedding. A wedding is also a very special day. We invite our friends and relatives. There is singing and dancing. A big party is organized. Have you attend a wedding? How do you feel? Tell the class about this. So only in our family, no. So for so many years, once only in family it will be wedding. So so many will be invited you for wedding and all. You'll attend the wedding, right? What you'll do there? You'll watch the wedding and you'll play there. So many things will be there to see. So many relatives will be there. So many friends will be there in the wedding. You'll enjoy a lot. So now class is when I am taking you the class, that time you should discuss about this. What all enjoyment you will do in the wedding. What you should do? You should discuss discuss with me and with your class members. So many things means commonly it will be there, singing, dancing, party, everything will be there, right? So when you attend, what all you enjoyed in that wedding, you can share with us in a class. Next one, festivals. Lot of festivals are there in a year. So in all the different type of festivals, different type of food will be there prepared by your mom. So you'll enjoy that one. Right, children? Let me see about festivals. Next is about festivals. Festivals. Festivals bring joy and happiness. We enjoy special food on day. I said you right. In a festival, what in different type of festivals, different kind of food you'll be having. Sweets will be prepared by your mom or your relatives. What you'll do that day? You will enjoy the special food and what is special on that day, that puja and all. So let me see what festival they given first. They given first Diwali. What festival is this? Diwali. Diwali is the famous for what? What we call as the Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. Festival of lights. Why we call Diwali as a festival of lights? Why? Because we are keeping so many lamps, diyas on that day in the house, and we will what we will burn the crackers. So many diyas is there means it will be lightful, no? So for that we will say as a Diwali is a festival of lights. What we say for Diwali? Diwali is a festival of lights. Let me see, Diwali is a festival of lights. People light candles and diyas. They decorate their house. They exchange sweets and gifts with their friends. Children let off crackers. This one you'll enjoy lots, right? To burning crackers. But if we see from environmental side, we should not burn crackers. Environmental air pollution will become and it will spoil, and sound pollution also will be. So we should avoid burning crackers. Other than that, what we can do? By lighting the lamps, we can enjoy. What the people all doing here for the Diwali festival? They will light the lamps and candles in the house. They will decorate diyas in the houses. So what we call Diwali as a Diwali is a festival of lights. What we will say for Diwali? Diwali is a festival of lights. Next is Eid. Next festival is Eid. Next festival is Eid. What they will do on Eid? Eid comes after 30 days of fasting. People wear new clothes. They go to mosque to offer prayers, namaz. The youngers get gifts from the elders. People greet each other with Eid Mubarak. A sweet dish called semian is made on this day. When the Eid will celebrate it, 1 month they will be fasting. Fasting means what? We will not eat anything, the food that day itself, right? That one we call fasting. Means nothing we will eat on that day. That one is fasting. If you eat food, that is not called as a fast. When we are not eating food one whole day, that is a fasting. For Eid festival, what they will do? 1 month fasting. Means when they will eat the food, means children, before morning, means before sunrises, early morning at 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, they will get up and they will prepare the food and they will eat, and whole day till the evening they will not drink water also, they will not eat anything. Only early before sunrises they will eat food and before sunset. Means it will get night, no, before that in 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock evening, they will have their food. So once in early in morning and once in evening they will eat. Middle the day they will not eat anything. So we will call as a fasting. What we will call? We call as a fasting. What they will do? 1 month they will do fasting. After that, when Eid day, what they will do? They will wear new clothes. What they will do? They will wear new clothes to celebrate the festival. They go to mosque. So we are going. Hindus will go to take prayer. Where they will go? They go to temples. Christian, where they will go? They will go to church. Six, where they will go? Gurudwars they will go. Like that only, this Muslim people, they will go to pray in a mosque. What we will say? Masjid we will say, no? That one, mosque. They will go there and what they will do? They will pray. For that what we call namaz. They will pray, no? For that we call as a namaz. The youngers get gifts, means small ones will be getting gifts from the elders. From big ones will give small ones gifts. So elders, youngers will be getting gifts from the elders. People greet each other with Eid Mubarak. Greet means what? We say, no, happy birthday, happy Diwali, happy Christmas, like that we will greet. No, for that we will say greet. Like that, in Eid time, what will people say? Eid Mubarak. They will say Eid Mubarak. Greeting means what? We will wish to somebody happy birthday, happy Diwali, happy Sankranti, like that. No, like that, Muslim people on Eid day, what they will do? They will greet each other, Eid Mubarak. What sweet they will prepare on that day? They prepare Samiana on that day. What dish they are preparing? We will say paisa kheer, no? Like that, that is also Samiana is also same dish like that only. Sweet dish they are preparing on Eid day. When they will prepare on Eid day, that is a special dish prepared by them. So next one, what they give? Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. People decorate their houses with colorful Christmas tree. They go to church to offer special prayers at midnight. Children wait for Santa Claus, who brings gift for them. When Christmas, when we will celebrate Christmas, 25th December. Every year, 25th December, we celebrate Christmas. So, on that day, what people will do? They will decorate their houses with the Christmas tree. I didn't write here. Next one is Christmas. When is Christmas is celebrated? Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. People decorate their houses with colorful Christmas trees. What they will do? They will decorate their houses with colorful Christmas trees. They go to church to offer special prayers at midnight. When they will go? 25th December is a Christmas. No. Before one day, midnight, 24th night itself, they will go to church. They will pray in the church at midnight. Midnight means after 12 o'clock we call as a midnight. That time itself they will start praying. What they will do after praying? Children will be waiting for Santa Claus. Which one is Santa Claus? You are the given no for you, Santa Claus. Why the children waiting for Santa Claus? because they believe Santa Claus will come and give a gift to them. What they will believe? They believe Santa Claus will come and give a gift to them. So the children will be waiting for Santa Claus. So in Eid festival, the people greet Eid Mubarak, no? Like that only in Christmas, the people greet each other what? Merry Christmas. They will greet each other Merry Christmas. When they, once again revise children, when they celebrate Christmas? On 25th December. So, Muslims are going to mosque for prayer. Where the Christians are going to pray the God, they will go to church. Where they are going? They are going to church to pray. When they will go to church for praying for Christmas, they will go one day before midnight. From midnight itself, they will start praying for God. And who will be waiting for gifts? Children will be waiting for Santa Claus because they believe Santa Claus will come and give gifts to them. Gifts, they will be waiting. Santa Claus will come and give a gifts to them. And what one more thing? In Eid time, what the Muslims, they will greet each other. They will greet each other Eid Mubarak. Like that only Christians will greet each other Merry Christmas. What they will greet? They will greet as a Merry Christmas. Next one is Guru Purab. Guru Purab is a Sikh people festival. Guru Purab is the birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus. For Christian Christmas, when they celebrate, when Jesus Christ's birthday is celebrated as a Christmas. So Guru Purab is celebrated not only one person birthday, 10 Sikh Gurus. Guru Purab is celebrated because of what? 10 Sikh Gurus birthday they celebrate as a Guru Purab. People decorate their houses with the lights. People decorate their houses with the lights. They eat from a common kitchen called langar. Langar is a big kitchen. So many people will eat together, no? That one we call as a langar. In Dharmasthala and all, you people saw, I think, big kitchens will be there to sit and eat, no? Common kitchen. That one for Sikh Gurus, they will call as a langar. What they call? They call as a langar. Where they will sit and eat so many people in one place, common kitchen. It is called as a langar. For what we call as a Guru Purab? Guru Purab is celebrated 10 Sikh Gurus birthday. Guru Purab is celebrated 10 Gurus birthday. So what the people will do? People will celebrate Guru Purab by decorating their houses by lamps, means lights. They are decorating like Diwali, how we will decorate our houses from lights, no, like that they will also decorate their houses in lights. What they will do on Guru Purab? They will eat in a common kitchen called langar. They will have their food, common kitchen called langar. Take next page. Now, this is all festivals what we celebrate in houses. This is religion festivals. Till now we read that one. Now we learn about national festivals. National festivals means where we will celebrate. We celebrate in a public place. When public is there, we celebrate. That one means religious festival. You are celebrating with your family. festivals in schools and all we celebrate, no? Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day, Republic Day. This one is national festivals. National festivals, we celebrate three national festivals. These are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Which all we celebrate? National festivals, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Still more are there, Children's Day, that and all. But Children's Day and all not as a national festival. Only this three is a national festival. Means in our full, in India, all over through they will celebrate this. Wherever schools are there, wherever President, Chief Minister, everyone together they will celebrate this national festivals. First one is Independence Day. First one is Independence Day. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. So, three national festivals are there, Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag from the Red Fort in the Delhi. We remember our freedom fighters on this day, where they will hoist the national flag in the Red Fort. Where it is? It is in Delhi. Who will hoist that flag? Prime Minister. So, here in our school, somebody will be there to hoist our flag, our chairman or our principal, like that. In or we will bring some other person who is good in means like military people, that and all. We will bring, no. So in like that only in the Red Fort, where in Red Fort, New Delhi, who will hoist the flag? Our Prime Minister will be hoisting the flag. So in who will, to whom we will remember on that day? We will remember our freedom fighters on that day. To whom we will remember on that day? We remember our freedom fighters on that day. On Republic Day, we celebrate Republic Day on 25th January. Independence Day we celebrate on 15th August. Republic Day we celebrate on 26th January. What we do on 26th January? There is a big parade on Republic Day in the New Delhi. The President of India takes the salute of people. So, Prime Minister, who is Prime Minister? He will be hoisting our flag in New Delhi near Red Fort on Independence Day. On Republic Day, what they will do? They will make a parade. Parade means here also they will do no march past. Our school children, like that only police people will be doing parade. Who will take that salute while doing parade? We will salute our flag. No, that time who will be near our flag? President of our India will be there near the flag. He will take the salute. Who will take? President of our India will be taken salute on that day from the policemen. The president take a salute of parade. He will be taking. Here they will hoist the flag in New Delhi. Who will hoist? Prime Minister will be hoisting the flag. On Republic Day, they will make a big parade. And who will take that salute? Parade salute who will take? President will be taken that salute. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. When we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. When we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Whose birthday we are celebrating? Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. He was a great leader. He led our freedom movement. He is called the father of our nation. What we call for Mahatma Gandhi? Father of the nation. One more name is, we also call him as a Bapu. What we call in one more name? Bapu. So why we are celebrating his birthday as a Gandhi Jayanti? He is a freedom fighter. So he is father of our nation. We called him as a Bapu. So his birthday we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. What, whose birthday we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti? Mahatma Gandhi's birthday we are celebrating as a Gandhi Jayanti. So one is Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated in Red Fort, New Delhi, or they will hoist the flag. Who will hoist the flag? Our Prime Minister will be hoisting the flag. When we celebrate Independence Day? 15th August. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th August. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th August. What they will do on Republic Day? The Republic Day, policeman man will do parade. Parade where they will do? That is also in Delhi. Who will take that parade salute? President will take the parade salute on that day. 15th August will be celebrated Independence Day. 26th January celebrated Republic Day. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd. Whose birthday is celebrated? Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is celebrated on 22nd October. For that we call as a Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd October we celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday as a Gandhi Jayanti. For Mahatma Gandhi, what we call? He is a father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi is a father of our nation. One more name, what we call? We call as a Bapu. What we call? We call as a Bapu. So, children, you understand? Let us revise once. What is our lesson in? Let's celebration. So what celebrations and all we will do? First one, they given the birthday. You all enjoy your birthday, no? By inviting your friends and relatives, by giving them sweets, cutting cake and taking gifts, return gifts you are giving, and many will be there. You will play, sing, dance, and you'll enjoy the birthday. It is very special day to you in a year. Next is weddings. Wedding means somebody will be invited to you weddings. You'll go there. You'll eat different type of different dishes. You'll eat there. You'll enjoy. Lots of members will be there in wedding. There also you'll sing, dance, and you will enjoy. Next is festivals. So many festivals are there to celebrate for us. So first one is Diwali. Diwali is a festival of colors. Diwali is festival of colors. No, Diwali is festival of light. Which is festival of colors? That is Holi. Diwali is festival of colors. So what you'll do on Diwali? You'll decorate your house from diyas and candles, and you'll wear new clothes, and what you'll do? You'll burn the crackers. Next is Eid. What they will do on Eid? They will do fasting. 1 month fasting after they will get a Eid. What they will do? On Eid they will wear new clothes, and elder ones will be, younger ones will be getting gift from elder ones, and they will go to pray to masjid. They will do namaz, and what dish will be there for them prepared? What dish is famous for the Eid? Samiana is prepared by them that day. Next is Christmas. When we will celebrate Christmas? On 25th December. What they will do? They will go to church for prayer. When they will go? They will go one day before, means 24th midnight itself. They will start the prayer. What they will do on that day? They will also decorate their houses from what? Christmas trees. They will decorate their houses from Christmas trees. And children will be waiting for Santa Claus. Why they will be waiting? They believe Santa Claus will give a gift for them. So children will be waiting for Santa Claus to take a gift. Guru Parab. Who will celebrate Guru Parab? Sikh people will celebrate Guru Parab. For what they are celebrating? 10 Sikh Guru's birthday. They celebrate as a Guru Parab. 10 Sikh Guru's birthday. They celebrate as a Guru Parab. On that day, what they will do? They will pray to God and what in a common kitchen called langar. There they will have their food. On that day, common kitchen called langar. There they will have a food. Next we go to national festival. Which all national festivals we are celebrating? We will celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. When we celebrate Independence Day? Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. What we do on that day? We hoist the flag. What is more important? We are hoisting flag in Red Fort in New Delhi. Who will be hoisting the flag? Prime Minister will be hoisting the flag when we are celebrating on August 15th. Next is our Republic Day. When we celebrate Republic Day? We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. What they will do on that day? They will make a big parade. What they will do? They make a big parade. So in that parade, they will salute. That salute, who will take that salute? Parade salute. President will be taken that parade salute. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. When we are going to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Why we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Who is Gandhi? Gandhiji is the father of our nation. Who is Gandhiji? Gandhiji is our father of our nation. So, what is one more name for Gandhiji? We call him as a Bapu also. What we call? We call him as a Bapu. I hope you all understood this lesson well, children, and you enjoyed, I feel. So, this all activities you can do by yourself. Once I'll read out for you, children. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August, 26th January, 2nd October. When we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate on 15th August. When we celebrate on 15th August. This is the correct answer. We celebrate Republic Day on 15th August, 26th January, 2nd October. When we celebrate on 26th January. We celebrate on 26th January. So, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on dash 15th August, 26th January, 2nd October. When we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on the 2nd October. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. This is Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Choose the correct answer. Diwali, Holi is a festival of lights. Which is festival of lights? I said Diwali is a festival of lights. Holi is a festival of colors. Holi is festival of colors. Diwali is festival of lights. So this one is correct answer for you. Diwali is a festival of lights. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December or 25th January. No, Christmas is celebrated on 25th January. No, when we will celebrate Christmas? 25th December. This is a correct answer. Eid comes after 30-40 days of fasting. How many days I said you? 40 days or 30 days? I said you 30 days. How many days after Eid comes? After 30 days of fasting. The Sikhs go to Gurudwaras, temples to offer prayers. Where they will go, Sikh people? Guru Purab is celebrated. So Hindus will go to temples, Christian will go to church, Muslims will go to mosque. Like that only what I said, where they will go? They'll go to Gurudwaras. Gurudwar. Next, we call Mahatma Gandhi as a Chacha or Bapu. We call as a Bapu. To whom we call Chacha? We call for Nehru as a Chacha Nehru. We call for Mahatma Gandhi as a Bapu. Match the pictures with the festivals. So this you should do, children. Crackers is on Diwali. Crackers we burn on Diwali. Semiana, when we prepare, I said Eid. Eid, when we prepare, on Eid we prepare Samian. And Santa Claus, when in which festival Santa Claus will give gifts? He will give gifts on Christmas. Santa Claus, you should mark third one, Christmas. Langar, where they will go for Langar? Guru Parab. In which festival? Guru Parab. Find out the dates and months when the following festivals will fall the next year. Means in this next year, festivals when it is falling, that days if possible you can search and write. First one they given Holi, next Diwali, Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Dasara. This all you can find out and you can write the dates there. Make greeting card on Diwali, Christmas and Eid. Give them to your friends and relatives. If you are creative in activities, you can prepare the greetings. And what you can do, you can give to your relatives and friends when you celebrate the festival. Suppose you want to celebrate your friend's birthday. Which of the following things will you put on the birthday table? Tick those things. So here they given some of the things for you. If you celebrate the friend's birthday, in this which all things you will you want it? Means candles they given. Do you want? You tick that one. Phone you want. If you want, you tick. If you don't want, what you should do? You should not tick. Chocolates you need. Radio? No. Sharpener? No. Books? No. Cap? Yes, you need. Biscuit? Yes. So which you need the things that you tick there. We let off crackers on birthdays, weddings and festivals. Make of our air dirty. Dirty air can make us sick. So we should not burn crackers on our birthdays, festivals. So what will happen, I said? We will get our air pollution. So if the air pollution means what happens? Our air is polluted means we will get diseases. So we fall into sick. So what we should not do? We should not burn the crackers. Do you think we should have fun by letting off crackers? Write a few sentences. What you think about burning crackers? Let off crackers. So about that, if you have any ideas, you can write here few sentence. Okay, I hope all of you understood this lesson. If you have any doubts, you can clarify with me, children. Thank you.